A branching statement in Python allows you to execute certain blocks of code based on certain conditions. The most commonly used branch statement is the if statement. The basic syntax of an if-else statement in Python is if condition hash code to execute if condition is true, else hash code to execute if condition is false. The condition can be any expression that returns a Boolean value, true or false. If the condition is true, the code in the if block will be executed. If the condition is false, the code in the else block will be executed. Here's an example of how you can use the if-else statement to determine if a number is positive, negative, or 0. Number equals -3. If number greater than 0, print the number is positive. A leaf number less than 0, print number is negative, else print the number is 0. In this example, the code will print the number is negative, because the value of the number variable is negative. Here's an example. Code. Age equals 18. If age greater than equals 18, print you are eligible to vote, else print you are not eligible to vote. In this example, the if statement checks if the value of the age variable is greater than or equal to 18. If the condition is true, the code within the if block will be executed, and the message "you are eligible to vote" will be printed. If the condition is false, the code within the else block will be executed, and the message "you are not eligible to vote" will be printed. It's also worth noting that you can use multiple if blocks in between the if and else blocks to check multiple conditions, which we will discuss in upcoming lecture. Till that time, subscribe to our channel.